Good morning friends. I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2011 regarding the pipeline. Let me read out the question, then we will solve it. Consider an instruction pipeline with 4 stages as shown below. They have given 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. And even in the diagram itself they mention what is the delay of each stage. What is the delay of stage 1? Stage 1 delay is 5 nanoseconds. Stage 2 delay is 6 nanoseconds. Stage 3 delay is 11 nanoseconds. And stage 4 is taking 8 nanoseconds. So you have the input here and you are getting the output here. So in between the two stages you have the registers. What is the purpose of this register? Stage 1 output will be saved in the register which will act as an input for the stage 2. And what is the delay of each register? They have given 1 nanosecond. If you see that all the registers having the equal delay as 1 nanoseconds. Now what is the question they are asking? What is the approximate speed up of the pipeline? They are asking us to calculate the speed up factor. How can we calculate the speed up factor? Speed up factor is equal to time taken without pipeline by time taken to execute this instruction, same number of instructions with the pipeline. Now if you see that they did not given how many instructions you need to execute. So we will consider that only one instruction is there. Okay, I want to execute single instruction. So if I execute single instruction with the pipeline and without pipeline, I need to calculate the speed up factor. Now if you see that first we will calculate with the pipeline. If it is as you see that each stage have a different delay. If each stage has a different delay, how much delay I have to consider? Max of all these things. Max of 5, 6, 11 and 8. What is this max among all these things? 11 nanoseconds is the maximum delay. And then we have a register delay as 1 nanosecond. So you need to consider that 1 nanosecond also. Then you will get 12 nanoseconds is the clock delay. Now if 12 nanoseconds is the clock delay, using the pipeline we will consider this one. Okay. Now we will see that what is the delay to execute the same single instruction without pipeline. If you are executing the instruction without pipeline, then you no need to consider the register concept. Stage 1 delay plus stage 2 delay plus stage 3 delay plus stage 4 delay only you should consider, because you no need to have any registers if you are using the instructions without pipeline. So what is the delay it will take? 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 11 is 22, 22 plus 8, 30 nanoseconds it will take if you execute the instructions without pipeline. So what is the formula? 30 by 12 nanoseconds. So 30 by 12 is how much? 2 6 are, 2 15 are. Okay, 2 3 are, not 2 3 are. Okay, 3 2 are. I got 6 and 5. So 15 by 6 I can write it as 3 2s are, 3 5s are. So I will get 2.5 is the speed up factor. Are you able to understand? I got 30 by 12. 30 by 12 is equal to 2.5. So the right answer is B. So the correct answer for this answer is option B. I hope you have understood how I performed this question. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me. Lot of people will confuse how I will calculate the delay if the same instructions are executing without pipeline. Simply you should remember that time when you are calculating the delay without pipeline, you should not consider the delay of the registers. When you need to consider the delay of a register is if you are executing the instructions with the help of pipeline, then only you need to consider the delay of the registers. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.